Week 33 and 34, the week of the 16th and the week of like the 24th. Those weeks, lots happened. We had contractors come and remodel our fireplace area, which I will show you the before and the after. And doesn't the after look so good? So this was the vision, and he clearly knocked it out the park. I also went to the dentist. The dentist said my teeth are great. Strangely enough, they said that usually like your gums and stuff will like basically be more sensitive. They definitely were more sensitive, but not to the point where the dentist said that they could be. So pretty good. Making sure to continue to floss and everything. And I guess like I have a chipped tooth in the back, which needs to get filled in. We'll see if that happens before the baby. I scheduled it for the 29th of June, but I highly doubt that it's going to happen. In regards to symptoms, for the most part, weeks 33 and 34, I felt great. I was working out, I was lifting. Here's an example of my exercises that I did.
What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can go to mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. What you know about rolling down in the deep? When your brain goes numb, you can go to mental freeze. When these people talk too much, put that shit in slow motion. Yeah, I feel like an astronaut in the ocean. She say that I'm cool. I'm like, yeah.
And as you can see, I have not stopped lifting, but I know in the coming weeks that will change, especially with the pelvic pressure. I noticed like he'll give me a day where I can work out, and then he'll give me a day where it's like, you ain't doing nothing, honey. Mama, you need to rest. And that's what happens. I also got to see and meet baby Ava. So finally got to meet Ashley, one of my girl, like close friends. Her Ava's like 2 months now. And isn't she absolutely adorable? We took all these pictures, and just seeing her life and energy just gets me so excited for baby Adele, her little cousin, to come. But it felt real, like, just holding her, seeing like in the 3-4 hour span Ashley was here. We had 2 naps, 2 feeds, 2 diaper changes, a little bit of spit up, burping, but for the most part, it's just like reading the cues, which I've been paying attention to, the paying attention to their eyes, paying attention to their mouth, just paying attention to what they need, because they can't yet communicate verbally, but they can communicate visually with their facial expressions and their actions. So looking forward to that. Been meditating, continuing to do that, focusing on my breath. But for the most part, weeks 33 and 34 have been good to me. And then we got the baby shower, which you'll see in the next video. So just as a quick update of week 33, 34. And just looking forward to these coming weeks.